Now I'm going to present this study called The Theory and the Practice of a Co-Creation Team for University Teaching in China. The authors are Ching Chien, He Lingling, Zhu Baoqing, Liu Yanghua, Mei Bai Chun, Long She. And the presenter is Dr. Zhu Baoqing, and this is me, my photo. The first one is introduction. As everybody knows, in the Chinese traditions and the Confucianism, reading is not for personal achievement, but for social experience. That is why everybody need education for the societal use and development. This tradition continues to this day. That's why we see that the main purpose of university education is to cultivate high quality and innovation talents for the societal use and development. But today, we see an opposite phenomenon in China. That is, college students have a positive attitude towards science, but lack of social practice and experience. Therefore, this study tries to figure out this phenomenon. There are two objectives in this study. And the first one is the university has three responsibilities in China. The first one is to educate students' professional ability, and the second one is to cultivate independent thinking and innovative skills. The third of independent research capabilities. That's why the university teachers has two responsibilities: to solve puzzles by learning from the traditional teachings, and the second one is to cultivate students' innovative ability and independent research skill. That's why in this study, we try to focus on creating a new teaching mode for Chinese university. And for creating this new teaching mode, 4 points needed to be noticed. The first one is to clarify the orientation of innovative teaching and entrepreneurial ethics. Second one is to build a high-level and cross-discipline teachers team. The third one is to build a bridge between university and the enterprises. The fourth is to improve the innovative and the entrepreneurial mechanism. So this teaching mode is called teacher-students co-creative teaching mode. And in this co-creation group has two purposes. The first one is try to transform students' passive acceptance of knowledge into active learning. The second one is team leaders should have superb integration abilities. The third one is team organizer responsible for stimulating and mobilizing members' enthusiasm and creativity. The fourth, team leaders should highlight the importance of labor division, commitment, members' enthusiasm, and operation effective and harmonious. This is the table for presenting this teaching mode. The first level is called Management Center, organized by academic teachers and other faculties teachers, and they trying to guide the postgraduate students to independent skills and research. Then these postgraduate students tried to transfer these knowledge and innovative skills to undergraduate students to finish their work. And in these undergraduate students, they are divided into three core types of members. The first one is core member, the second one is team member, and the others members. Conclusion. The co-creation team different from the traditional mentor-type team. They are organized by professional academic teachers, other teachers, and according to the needs of actual patent applications, legal service, and commercial service, and so on. Some points need to be noticed. Teachers should concern on the communication among team members, and the teachers can have a deeper and comprehensive understanding of students' interests and abilities. Students are the main body of teaching, and the teachers play a leading role in teaching. Some conclusions are found. The number of interaction between teachers and students is much higher than that of traditional classroom. The comments of team teachers are the good interaction of teaching and the students' learning. The co-creation mode of teacher and the students forms a strong atmosphere for students to consciously participate in research activities and practical activities.